Okay. It's a bit windy. All those smokestacks, it's actually steam. Certain parts of the woodland is hotter than the rest, so the rain's evaporating faster. Of course, they never explained why it's hotter there. Not over there. Safe to say the storm has passed on by. There's no blue skies yet, but still. The storm has fucked off to Wales. Keep an eye on the fire before it burns down all the water. Yeah, balaclava. Need a balaclava. A lot of sheep activity up here. Turning the whole thing to shit. Literally, sheep shit. And Welshman's aphrodisiac. Well, so it is. Yep, fire is chugging away quite nicely. This is quite nice with that cardboard. It's just rubbish I've got in the house. So rather than like recycling it or throwing it away, just a fire lighter. It also dries off the wood a bit as well. Nice little fire.